Hey guys, it's Faya and beautiful people. I am here today with this 8-plate set by Homienly. I think that's how you say the name. And it is dishwasher safe, microwave safe, freezer safe, BPA and toxin free. And yes guys, this is true because I've tried these. They are so beautiful. They are durable. They're not bendable. They're firm. The colors are so beautiful. This navy blue is great. The green, my favorite color. The orange and this beautiful yellow, which reminds me of a sunflower. Anyways, what else? They are shatterproof, kid-proof, stain-proof, which is awesome. Great for a nice party, dinner party, or if you're having a Halloween party. These colors would just fit right in beautifully. They're not large plates either. I would say they're about the size of the average disposable plate, but these guys are great. They're gonna hold up. You're gonna love these. It gives you nature. It gives you nature. The colors are great. Get them, won't regret it.
Here's my review on these plates here. I don't know, I kind of like a hard plastic, not like a cheap plastic where it folds on you when you're trying to cut something or hold it in your hand and try to eat off it. These are very durable, microwave safe, freezer safe, and all that stuff. Like if I'm cooking a steak, I definitely don't like to eat off a paper plate. It just absorbs into the paper plate. It won't absorb into this. I really don't like to use like real plates. They clean. I'm accident prone to drop one and break one. You ain't got to worry about that with this here. And they got some cool designs to it. And like I said, they're very rigid, okay? They're not flimsy. If you have a lot of food on here, it's not going to fold on you. But anyway, I got multicolors. Color's not a problem with me, as long as I can eat off it and it's not pink. I got some orange ones down there. But anyway, I like these. These are nice.